find dy by dx if number 1 x equals to sec square theta and y equals to tan cube theta at theta equals to pi by 3. Now see here, given that x equals to sec square theta, then differentiate this term, differentiate x. Here parameter is theta. Okay. Now differentiate x with respect to theta. Then what will we get? Dx by d theta equals to derivative of sec square theta. Okay. Now derivative of sec square theta is, now take the derivative of power. Okay. Here 2 times sec theta. Now differentiate the term angle, here is sec theta. Okay. Sec theta. Then what will we get? Here 2 sec theta, and now here derivative of sec theta is sec theta into tan theta. Sec theta into tan theta. Then this term becomes 2 times here sec theta into sec theta, that is sec square theta. Sec square theta into tan theta. This is the value of dx by d theta. Okay. Now second term is given that y equals to tan cube theta. Okay. Here y equals to tan cube theta. Then differentiate here also, differentiate y with respect to theta. Okay. Theta is here parameter now. Theta is parameter. Therefore, d by d theta of y equals to derivative of tan cube theta. Now take the derivative of power. Okay, power is here 3. Okay, that is 3 times tan square theta. Okay. Then derivative of tan theta, this term becomes 3 tan square theta, and derivative of tan theta is sec square theta. Sec square theta. Okay. This is the value of dy by d theta. Now we want to find the derivative of dy by dx. Okay. See here, dy by dx equals to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. Okay. This term becomes, now substitute the value of dy by d theta here. Dy by d theta is 3 tan square theta into sec square theta. 3 tan square theta into sec square theta divided by dx by d theta is nothing but 2 times sec square theta into tan theta. Now simplify here. See here, sec square theta, this sec square theta will get cancelled. Now here tan theta and 1 tan theta is cancelled. What will be remaining here? 3 divided by 2 and tan theta. Okay, this is the value of dy by dx, but we want to find the value of dy by dx at theta equals to pi by 3. Okay. Now see here, dy by dx at theta equals to pi by 3, that is 3 by 2. Now we want to put the term theta equals to pi by 3 here. tan pi by 3. Then what is the value of pi by 3? Tan pi by 3. Okay, now see here the table, sin and cos 0, 30, 45, 60, 90, 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, and 1 here, 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, and 0 here. Okay. Now we want to find the value of pi by 3. Pi by 3 means 60 degree. Okay. Here pi by 3, that means 180 divided by 3, that is 3, 6 the 18, 0. Okay, 60. Now we want to find the value of tan 60. Here tan pi by 3, that is equals to sin pi by 3 divided by cos pi by 3. That means we will get sin pi by 3 is here square root 3 by 2, square root 3 by 2 divided by cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2, that is 2 to get cancelled, and we will get the value of tan pi by 3 is square root 3 only. Okay. That is equals to 3 by 2, and the value of tan pi by 3 is nothing but square root 3. Okay, and this is the required answer of the question. X equals to sec square theta, y equals to tan cube theta at theta equals to pi by 3. Okay, dy by dx at theta equals to pi by 3, that is equals to 3 into square root 3 divided by 2. Question, we want to find the value of dy by dx if value is finding dy by dx if x equals to t plus 1 divided by t and y equals to 1 by t square. Okay, at the particular t equals to 1 by 2. Okay, now see here, given x equals to t plus 1 divided by t. Okay, then differentiate here, differentiate x with respect to, here parameter is t, okay, and x and y is a variable, okay, with respect to t. Therefore, this term becomes dx divided by dt equals to derivative of t plus derivative of 1 divided by t. Okay. Now see here, derivative of t, okay, derivative of t is 1 plus derivative of, now see here, derivative of 1 divided by t, that means this term can be written as t to the power minus 1. Okay, now t to the power here is 1 and this term is on denominator. Okay, now this term goes to numerator, this term becomes t to the power minus 1. Okay, now what is the derivative of this term? See here, we know that x to the power n, derivative of x to the power n, this term is n x to the power n minus 1. Okay, then this term can be written as, see here, minus 1 t to the power minus 1 minus 1. Okay, n is here minus 1. Okay, x is here t. Okay, and n also is minus 1 and this term is minus 1. That means this term becomes minus t to the power minus 2. Okay, now we can write here minus t to the power minus 2. Okay, that is a 1 plus, okay, here plus into minus, this term becomes minus, okay, and 1 divided by t square. Okay, this is dx by dt. Okay, this term also can be written as here dx by dt equals to, this is cross multiplication, t square minus 1 divided by t square. Okay. Now y equals to 1 divided by t square. Now differentiate here also, differentiate y with respect to t. Okay. Then this term becomes dy divided by dt equals to derivative of 1 divided by t square. Okay. Now differentiate 1 divided by t square. This term can be written as derivative of t to the power minus 2. Okay. T square is on denominator. Okay. Now this term is goes to numerator. This term becomes t to the power minus 2. Okay. Here is plus 2. Okay. Now the derivative of this term is minus 2t to the power minus 2 minus 1. That means minus 2 t to the power minus 3, and this can be written as minus 2 divided by t cube. This is dy by dt. Okay. Dx by dt equals to t square minus 1 divided by t square, and here dy by dt equals to minus 2 divided by t cube. Now we want to find the dy by dx. See here, dy by dx can be written as dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Now substitute the term of dy by dt equals to dy by dt is minus 2 divided by t cube whole divided by t square minus 1 divided by t square. Okay. Now simplify this term. This term can be written as minus 2 divided by t cube into this t square goes to numerator here, t square divided by t square minus 1. This t square and 2t get cancelled here, and what will be remaining here now? Minus 2 divided by t into t square minus 1. Okay. This is the value of dy by dx, but we want to find the value of dy by dx at t equals to 1 divided by 2. Now see here, dy by dx at t equals to, okay, at t equals to 1 by 2. Now substitute the value of t, that is equals to 1 by 2. Okay. See here, minus 2 divided by t equals to 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 square minus 1, and that is equals to, now simplify here, minus 2 divided by 1 by 2, here 1 by 2 square, 1 by 2 square is 1 divided by 1 by 2 square. Okay. 1 by 4 minus 1. Now here minus 2 divided by 1 by 2. Now simplify here, this term becomes 1 minus 4 divided by 4. Now see here, example number 2, find dy by dx if x equals to 3 cos t minus 2 cos cube t and y equals to given here 3 sin t minus 2 sin cube t. Okay. At t equals to pi by 6. Now see here, x equals to 3 cos t minus 2 cos cube t. Differentiate x with respect to t. Now t is here parameter. Okay. Then derivative of x equals to 3 is constant, derivative of cos t minus 2 constant, derivative of cos cube t. Okay. That is equals to 3 times derivative of cos. Derivative of cos is minus sin t minus 2 times derivative of cos cube t is derivative of the power. Okay, this is 3 cos square t into derivative of cos t, that is, see here, minus 3 sin t, this term minus 2 into 3 is 6 cos square t, and derivative of cos t is minus sin t. Okay, that is equals to minus 3 sin t, minus minus get plus 6 times cos square t into sin t, that is equals to, now take 3 sin t common on both. Okay, 3 sin t, what will be remaining here? See here, minus 1 plus 2 cos square t. Okay, this can be written as 3 sin t 2 times cos square t minus 1. Okay, this is dx by dt. Now see here, we know that 2 times cos square t minus 1, 2 cos square theta minus 1, that is equals to cos 2 theta. The formula of cos 2 theta is 2 times cos square theta minus 1. Okay, now we can write here cos 2 t. Okay, this term becomes 3 sin t into cos 2 t. This is dx by dt equals to, then here y equals to given 3 sin t minus 2 sin cube t. Okay, differentiate y with respect to t. This term becomes dy by dt equals to 3 times derivative of sin t minus 2 times derivative of sin cube t. Okay, that is 3 derivative of sin is cos t minus 2 times derivative of sin cube t is 3 times sin square t into derivative of sin t. Okay, is derivative of sin t, that is equals to 3 times cos t minus 2 into 3 is 6 sin square t, and derivative of sin t is cos t, that is equals to, now take the common on both terms, 3 cos t here is also, here cos t and 3. Okay, now 3 cos t, here what will be remaining? 1 minus here 2 times sin square t, that is equals to 3 cos t, and this is the formula of cos 2 theta, 1 minus 2 sin square theta, that is equals to cos 2 theta, and this term can be written as cos 2t, and this is the value of dy by dt. Okay, we want to find dy by dx. Okay, and dy by dx can be written as dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Then the value of dy by dt substitute here, dy by dt, that is equals to 3 cos t into cos 2t whole divided by 3 sin t into cos 2t. This is the value of dx by dt. Now See here, 3 get cancel here, cos 2t get cancel. What will be remaining here? Cos t divided by sin t, and this term can be written as cot t. Okay, cos divided by sin is cot. Okay, this is the value of dy by dx, but we want to find the value of dy by dx at t equals to pi by 6. Okay, then what is the value of dy by dx? Dy by dx at t equals to pi by 6, that is equals to cot pi by 6, and that is equals to value of cot pi by 6 is 3. Next lecture is tomorrow on 8 o'clock. Okay, thank you.